At Edgemere Luxury Living Community, we believe going on outings adds an element of excitement and enjoyment to daily life. It provides opportunities to try new things, indulge in hobbies, or simply enjoy a change of scenery. Many outings involve physical activity such as walking tours, visiting parks, or participating in group activities.
Welcome aboard, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome
I'm
aboard.
safe here.
All right, I'm Cat Phil, and I welcome you aboard today. Here on Harbor Lights, we have 165 life jackets. They're located in several places on the boat. Down here on the lower deck, you're going to find these two big brown bins at the front of the boat, port and starboard. And by the back door, there's a big gray chest. When you get to the upper deck, you'll find a knee-high bin on the aft rail and a second knee-high bin over on the starboard.
Well, it's not far down to paradise. At least it's not for me. And if the wind is right, you can sail away and find tranquility. Oh, the canvas can do miracles. Just you wait and see. Believe me. It's not far to Never Never Land. Reason to pretend. And if the wind is right, you can find the joy of innocence again.